Hi! My name is Ksenia and welcome to my channel Ksuksu. Today I'm going to be showing you what I have in my backpack for my flight from Russia to Dubai. Since I live in the United Arab Emirates, so I'm going to be going back home. So I'm going to be showing you what I packed to take inside the airplane, you know. So, hand baggage. Well, it's called a hand baggage. So anyway, let's start with the big compartment. You open it up, and inside is this bumper. You know, for if I get cold, because in Russia it's really cold. I might even wear stuff, but right now it's warm. I'm leaving in 2 days, so that's going to be good. And then I have some magazines. They're in Russian, but that doesn't matter. You know, it's just not get bored, because I haven't answered half of them, like the crossword. So this is a notebook, and I just drew in here. So yeah, that. By the way, these are the characters that you will meet later on. And so, yeah, this is a drawing I made. So anyway, oh, by the way, this is a sneak peek of a book I'm writing, The Pink Evil Lady. So stay tuned. I will be in a year or so. I don't know exactly, but then, let's just show it right here. I have this bag of candies. I will be taking some stickers later on as well. You know, to actually eat something. And this, by the way, is a thing from Candies that you can do something, because I'm a doll photographer as well, so I'm going to be using these before, you know, so that's why I'll just put them away. Then I have a book, the Wreck This Journal book, also in Russian, because, you know, right here, you know, you can, if somebody doesn't know what a wreck this journal thing is, it gives you different, like, tasks to do with the journal, to destroy it. But I don't do it, I just draw in it. I have another one, the first version of it, but I don't think it's called the first version, but, you know, the other one. This is the Wreck This Journal Everywhere, and I have the Wreck This Journal at home already. So this is the Isle of the Lost book, the Descendants book. I really like it. I read it and I took it with me, so I'm taking it back now. And so then, this is another drawing book. So I didn't draw much here. Panda! This is for my friend Camilla. It's Panda. This is a donut. I didn't draw it for anyone. This is for me and my mom, because it's a cat. We love cats. We even have a cat. So right now I'm actually at my grandma's place. So this is another Ladybug and Cat. This is a Cat Noir and Ladybug and Cat Noir magazine. I'm a fan of Ladybug and Cat Noir. Don't judge. So this is another notebook, yet another notebook, in which I don't really write anything. Even though me and my friend Sandra, you might meet her later, actually have the same notebook, because it's like a gift from me to her, the same notebook. So, oh, this is the most, I'm writing the book, as I just told you a few minutes ago, The Pink Evil Lady. This is the manuscript. By the way, my full name is Ksenia V, that's why it's written here, The Pink Evil Lady by Ksenia V. So, I'm not going to be reading you what's it about, because then I'm just going to spoil you everything. And here I have some not drawings, but coloring pages, in which I also kept my award. It's like for, you know, for helping and cleaning up and stuff, you know. But it was fun to clean up with my friends, so yeah. You know, they're like from trash. So, yeah, this is what I had in this pocket. Now I'll put everything back. Now I'll have to put everything back. pocket. But before that, I'm going to be telling you what this is. It's like, you know, a name tag and stuff, and about traveling, because I'm traveling with this bag, but it's also my school bag right here. And then I have this bow over here, because we put bows in a suitcase, and you know, you can have bows on your hand baggage as well. I like that. So yeah, like that, a bow like this. Now we move on to the next pocket, in which I have another bag. So we pack this, and now, since I told you that I'm a doll photographer as well, so yeah, let's open it up. I have some dolls. So I have Ever After High dolls, and they're with, so this is Apple. Let's just pick them up. So I have, guys, just don't fall out. Okay. Right here, I have Apple White, right over here. This is not the first ever version made, but it doesn't matter. Ashley Ella, the one that doesn't move a lot, and Blondie Locks from the ball version. Okay, so let's just put this back in. So, on the back pocket over here, I have the clothes, and you know, for beds, you know, things for the beds and clothes. I'm not gonna show you all the clothes. You are gonna see them in next videos or something. I don't know exactly, but then in this pocket, I have all the small things. For example, in this one, and also a lot of other stuff. Like, for example, I have a brush, and I have a ring from my from my phone. You know, from my phone's phone ring. No, but literally a phone ring. You know, I have a lot of stuff there, a lot of candy wrappers. But that's some information that I have in here. So I don't have a lot anymore in this pocket. So actually here I have this little thing for headphones, but I tried it before, it didn't work for me. So now let's put this back in. And let's move on to the next thing. I'm sorry for taking so long to put it back in, because my suitcase. Yeah. Oh, okay. So now let's move on to the next pocket. I'm just gonna say the next pocket because, you know. And so it's right here. What I have in here are the headbands. They're called headbands. So this is my signature headband that I always wear to school. This is just a leopard that I wear with my sport uniform. This is with the normal, this is with the sport. So this is just a pink, and this one, and this is just this one. Okay, I don't know why I have these in here. So next, actually, I have pencils and markers. So let's put these aside as well. And then I have a pencil in here. Then in here I have a sharpener, and my eraser just disappeared. I also have some small things in here. So yeah. Oh, and also there I have, in this big pocket, I have some other stuff. So yeah. And just as you saw, I just have this, well, and I'm going to be putting this in this pocket. This little pocket that's under the smaller. So yeah, I have some money in there. That's good. And then I just close it up with the pencils. that is something I can also do to school, like, you know, take some stuff to school. So actually, I also have this for rings, you know. It's like a key ring, and then you open it up. Here you go. So yeah, that's good actually to put. It's a school bag actually, but you know. So then, let's move on. Let's turn this around and open this up. And right here I have some Frutella candies, and then I have headphones. Lots and lots of headphones. This is all I need in the plate, but I just packed it in one pocket. Then let's turn this around and eat what? I'm sorry, I just said and in Russian. So I have the JBL speaker. So yeah. And so after the JBL speaker, we have in here fake glasses that I didn't use. Then just some checks, which I will also not need in the plane. And then this is from the park, you know, stuff like that. And yeah, there's nothing else. I don't know why I checked it, because I could see there was nothing else. So yeah, let's close it up, and then there's the last pocket left. So yeah. Oh no, that's the pocket we checked. Okay, this one. The one where there's nothing. Almost. Just some papers that I don't think I'll need. And some wrappers that I have a lot of them. Then I have some other papers that I've been using for my friend's channel. So yeah, this is what I have. So I'm gonna be closing that later. Let's just put it away. And so thank you all for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up this video if you liked it. If you didn't, then just, I'm sorry. You can not like it, but please don't dislike this video. So yeah, well, it's time to say goodbye to you, so goodbye.